Abatunga ebekitabeche National Resistance Movement NRM babanuma birahirya okubakindisha himba oboma obwepate kwabo okwakara akakindi hichako okobusinguri obo nechendererwa ekirisangasangania ebiroto haimane chendererwa chengurakurana omulyangaleno akakani munyamyatsi wetu okomwanya owe Bwiranda Hotel omwa Municipality ya Kasese oye yuarangiribawa ngeyamatura butunga abawole omwa district ya Kasese kwehi Woman MP omwole Thungu Baleke makabi inanimuranisha ngo kwa kindi yunga okwabandi batunga abekitabe kino kye NRM okurondekanya eriwatawata nandeke omwiriba ebyuna ebyanga biri omwa kitabe kino ekye NRM,
which is bridging the 20 years gap of the women of Kasese and the NRM government. Since we've had 20 full years without representative of NRM women from Kasese to the Parliament of Uganda, our target this 2026 is to ensure that we deliver a woman member of Parliament from the NRM party to Parliament of Uganda. And we are working tirelessly hard to ensure that this is very effective in a way that we are bringing everyone on board to ensure this win is for the NRM.
Butsoretswere abo omore uyu akakungana yango kwa hote eriende mbere omusoro cha abikarani okubi bakamukirira yamo omushaba bakamukoma omakalu akabusi akangumibira abanamuka.
Our target is one, bridging the NRM gap 20 years between the government and Kasese District, and that is my mission.
So you're not fearing anyone?
And I'm not looking backwards, I am only moving forward. That is why when you hear so many words passing by, you will not hear me respond to them or retaliate into thinking about abuses and what. I have a goal. And when you're in a marathon, you run and you don't look back. You hit your target that is at the front, and that is surrender.
Ebina habetia eyoheba wa ebendera eretimbaleka okumimbitia obwembondwe rubiri hatauni kaso abo bimbitia oya kasato omachitebe NRM omwami Robert Baluku Muthahunga makaina numuranisha abikarani okwibi ibakamusamala kutsibu abo cyendererwa ekeribi na otekiroto ekeriwaniamu etauni iyi eyembondwe
nje obulikirunga ote message ingabwera abantu ende abanyambondwe kutsa abanyabwera bakatwahura mu abagezi be district yan beitu etauni yetu sirikangana ya ende tunebandu abo batukabwa tutetrole busana no burofu so ekindo kyo kubanza lyerangere ndio burofu tukaboheta omwe tauni yetu eno.
Rogers akenda inumukangania ngokwatsomena kutsebo omwibye inakasamalera nkomakurokurania ebi eshambaro hayima na masinyerezi eretekana ndeke omukipindi iki ekyo mombondwe
kabere erangere infrastructure eshangudashi yetu esiri poorly maintained with a poor drainage system simuline sibarete kamune maram ebindu ebi. In fact ukabyo machekinga a manifesto ya M7 eyatukakolesa ya umwaka 2024 ukasangana ebindu bine highlighted him over 500 kilometers of tarmac, over thousands of kilometers of maram, high quality maram. Ebi ukabya oma review nesi esha ministries neyabeendere bakabya allocatinga chikaine chendu na ina ngenatokere ndingalo bingo machendo chirebe konde nabere sangwa nabelangiro mu manifesto yomuko mukama wayi President Museveni
makashenda mbere inanimukangania eyinde emigaso kwe emibiri eya chairman eya kasato atolere inanakakora emomune eresokera kwe eriendendania abutunga nishendakanizia eshe government
LC3 kutsere bya meyo wetauni yenu chikama ninje mulemi owabataka eka. So ebya government ikakoloma central government ikakola ebintu ebinene I have to replicate kind of eriwende na bya mahika hai okwa ground kweka kunde I have a budget that I'm supposed to be supervising alongside my technical staff. We shall have to create that link, a political wing, the technical staff erangirende abandu bewera abanyampondo rubiri hata unikanso bamaishetero mwetauni yabo.
Uganda ahisi esikitunga obukomesha kwe Electoral Commission chikindi cyabi chikatungayo obukome obwa akaluru akabusi omwaka wakasa ongumibira namuka abo amatsa okwachinemba ekironzo TV 3 Gary Paul Katukwire area kusakirawo.